Our heart is one of the most important and vital organs in our body, which is pumping oxygenated blood throughout our body to our cells. And our cells utilize that oxygen and food for the for different functions. So, what actually are the factors which are impacting our heart health negatively? So these are the number one is diet, number second is lack of exercise, number third is stress, and number fourth is smoking. How diet is impacting our health? There are certain foods, high cholesterol, saturated fats, junk foods, all of these, they are contributing to the production of or the formation of a plaque inside our vessels, through which blood is difficult to pass then, and it narrows down the our vessels, our arteries and veins. So the heart has to be applying extra pressure, or it has to be doing extra effort to pump blood through those vessels. So diet is extremely important in this regard. If we take diet which is low in fats, saturated fats especially, or which is low density fat. A low density fat is not good for our health. It is actually leading to the formation of plaque inside our vessels. And adding more vegetables and fruits to our diet, and fiber, whole grains, and pulses to our food, it will certainly improve the health of our heart, and the blood will pass smoothly into our veins. The second factor that we have is the lack of exercise. Because of the lack of exercise, uh, our muscle cells uh, um, decrease their ability to extract the oxygen from our blood. That leads to uh, the the heart will have to be pumping hard, and will have to be supplying more and more blood to the muscle, will have to be providing more blood to provide oxygen to the muscle cells. And as a result, the extra burden will be put on heart to provide uh, oxygen and blood to the cells, to the muscle cells. So now, when we take exercise on regular basis, we actually increasing the ability of muscle cells to extract the blood from the oxygen from the blood, and thereby reducing the effort of the heart. So it leads to betterment of the heart muscles, and it puts much lesser burden on the heart. So heart health improves as a result. Secondly, exercise is also acting as a contributing factor. It acts as a beta blocker to reduce the high density, to reduce the low density fat, and increases the high density fat, which is good for our health, our heart health. Exercise also reduces the stress hormones in our body that are negatively impacting our heart health. The third factor is stress. Stress, because of the stress, our blood pressure increases, and negative hormones, stress hormones are released, as a result of which our heart health is negatively impacted, such as adrenaline, cortisol, and other such hormones, which are actually destroying the health of our heart. So by reducing stress, we can actually improve the our heart's health. Next, we have smoking. Smoking also plays a big role in the coronary or heart diseases or cardiovascular diseases. It actually Smoking actually decreases the oxygen level in our blood, and increases the carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide levels in in our blood. So it reduces the ability of the blood to give away more oxygen to the uh, muscle cells, and as a result, the it puts extra burden on the heart to provide oxygenated blood to the muscle cells in our body for proper functioning. So uh, it also increases the the efforts of or the hard work of uh, the heart to pump out more oxygenated blood. So actually um, the smoking is extremely injurious to the heart health.